Hello friends, welcome to Prytech. This is part 1 of .NET interview question series. In this video, we will learn what is .NET, what is framework, why do we use framework, what are the important components of .NET, explain about BCL in .NET, what is CLR in .NET, what is JIT in .NET, explain language and its need in .NET, explain technology and its needs. What is Visual Studio? Once you understand and memorize these questions, you are comfortable to attend any interview and apply these concepts in your projects or applications easily. What is .NET? .NET is a framework developed by Microsoft. It provides a programming guidelines that can be used to develop a wide range of applications from web to mobile to Windows based applications. The .NET framework can work with several programming languages such as C#, VB.NET, C++, and F#, etc. What is framework? Framework is a software that is developed and used by developers to build applications. Using a software framework to develop applications lets you focus on the high-level functionality of the application. This is because any low-level functionality is taken care by the framework itself. Why do we use framework? Developing software is a complex process. It contains tasks including designing, coding, and testing. For only the coding part, programmers have to take care of the syntaxes, declarations, garbage collection, statements, exceptions, and more. Software frameworks make life easier for developer by allowing them to take control of the entire software development process or most of it from a single platform. What are the important components of .NET? .NET framework provides two main components, BCL called base class libraries, CLR called common language runtime. Explain about BCL in .NET. Base class libraries are designed by Microsoft. Without BCL, we cannot write any code in .NET. So, BCL is the building block of programs of .NET. They are installed into the machine when we install the .NET framework into the machine. BCL contains predefined classes and these classes are used for application development. The physical location of BCL is C, Windows, Assembly. What is CLR in .NET? CLR stands for Common Language Runtime. It is the core component under the .NET framework which is responsible for converting the MSIL code into native code. In .NET, the code is compiled twice. In first compilation, source code or high-level code is compiled by the respective language compiler and the language compiler generates intermediate code known as MSIL. In the second compilation, MSIL is converted into native code called machine code using CLR. Always first compilation is slow and second compilation is fast. What is JIT in .NET? JIT stands for just in time. JIT is the component of CLR that is responsible for converting MSIL code into native code or machine code. This native code or machine code is directly understandable by the operating system. Explain language and its need in .NET. A language acts as the mediator between the programmer and the system. It offers some rules and regulations for writing the program. The language also offers some libraries which are required for writing the program. The collection of program is called software. Explain technology and its need. Technology is designed for particular purpose. For example, development of web related application in .NET using ASP.NET, but the technology does not offer any specific rule for writing the program. That's why technology cannot be implemented individually. VB.NET, C#.NET both are programming languages. Using these two languages, we can implement Windows desktop application individually. Every language is having its own compiler. What is Visual Studio? Visual Studio is a Microsoft IDE tool that is needed to develop application with the .NET framework. The IDE integrates three features: editor, compiler and interpreter. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please feel free to comment if you have any query.